Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Who doesn't love a good pizza? We definitely do, and have been working on perfecting our homemade pizza in our small portable pizza oven. So I want to show you this pizza peel from Chicago Brick Oven because it has totally upgraded our pizza game for sure. So this is a 12-inch by 14-inch peel. It does come in other sizes as well. The best part about this peel is this awesome 21-inch wooden handle. This handle is super strong and it gives you the stability you need as well as the leverage and the reach so that you can maneuver your pizza very easily in and out of the oven, as well as rotating it so it doesn't burn. It just does an amazing job. It makes it so much easier. This is a super smooth handle as well, so it feels really good in your hands and it just gives you the control that you're looking for. The aluminum paddle part is also really nice and thick, so it's really sturdy. It's not flimsy at all, and it does an awesome job at being able to slide your pizza in and out of the oven with ease. This handle is also removable, so easy for cleaning and also storing, or you can also use this little string on the back to hang it up on a hook if you have that option. So whether you're cooking pizza or something else, this is really a must-have for your pizza oven. It works so well and it really just makes the job 100 times easier. We could not be more pleased with this pizza peel from Chicago Brick Oven. Absolutely love it. Total game changer. Definitely would recommend it. And that's my point of view.